Hello friends, my name is Pravir. I am speaking from RFL Ahmedabad. Today I make a ballerina. The parts I have used are axle, wheel, camshaft and many more parts. I will show you two activities. First activity. In first activity, the part I have used is one camshaft with ballerina. Now I will show you the demo. Now I will show you the second activity. In second activity, the parts I have used are two camshaft. The difference between two activities was the movement of the ballerina was different and the camshaft were changed. Thank you.